everyone, welcome to the Student Family Housing YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making mango lassi. Mango lassi is a traditional South Asian drink and it's perfect for a nice hot day. Let's get into the ingredients. You'll need mangoes, yogurt, milk, sweetener, and cardamom. First and most importantly, you're going to need some mangoes. Here I'm using fresh mangoes, but you could also use frozen. You'll need approximately 1 cup for 2 servings, and that's about 1 small to medium-sized mango. Next, you'll need a 3/4 cup of plain or vanilla Greek yogurt. You can swap this out for plain yogurt, but just make sure it's fresh so it's not too tart. You'll need an equal amount of milk. Here I'm using 2%, but sweetened almond milk or oat milk will also pair nicely. You can always adjust the consistency, if needed, by adding more milk. I like mine right in the middle, so I add equal parts yogurt and milk, but you can adjust to taste. Here I added 4 teaspoons of sugar. This can also be swapped out for honey, agave, or even maple syrup. If you decide to use vanilla Greek yogurt or sweetened almond milk, you can half the amount of sugar. Finally, I add a few cardamom seeds as it balances the flavors out really nicely. This can also be omitted if it's not available. I would, however, recommend adding something for more flavor, such as saffron, which is a very traditional pairing with mango lassi, but cinnamon or vanilla extract would also work. Next, you add all the ingredients into a blender and serve. This is best served immediately and is traditionally paired with lunch. Here I garnished with ground almonds and mint, but the options are endless. Ground pistachio is another traditional topping. You can add tapioca, chia seeds, or even whipped cream. This is a very versatile recipe and you can adjust these ingredients to make it fit your preferences. Please leave any questions in the comments and make sure to DM us if you make any of our recipes. Take care.